Alright, so today we have another unboxing video, this time for some earlier style oil lamps, although they could possibly also be newer because it seems that the Crusaders, Seljuk Turks, Ottomans brought back the style in the post-medieval era. Not really sure why. This particular style goes back 3,000 plus years. So it'll take some more research. I think one of them is definitely on the newer side. A couple are on the much older side. Kind of looks like a seashell. Bless me. I doubt you can see it in the camera, but I can see grit all over the tape. That's never good. Kind of like some kind of carnival game. Stick your hand in here and feel around till you find something. It's gonna be a mess to clean these up. Okay, well, good thing I brought another box here because I can't find the other one. Be an unnecessarily long video. There it is. We'll clean those up in a minute. I don't want to waste your time. Careful not to run the knife along the pot inside. Please avoid packing peanuts, they're just annoying. Nobody likes packing peanuts except children. What do we have here? Yeah, this is the one that I think is newer. I guess it's a handle? But these pinch spout lamps are usually pretty old, but like I said, they did bring the style back after, I don't know, 1,500 years of not using that style. I'm still not sure what makes that whistling animal noise. I feel like it's the woodchucks or whatever that lives under our barn. This one, the pinched style one, I think is actually older. So as time goes on with the style, this is the early style, but as time goes on they start folding these edges in as well until finally the spout's enclosed instead of being open, and so is the body except for a hole to fill the oil with. So these ones are basically always BCE times. Being so shallow, I would assume this one's an earlier one. Oil was just really expensive in that period. Now, I neglected to bring my spray bottle out to do the smell test, but you hear how dull that sounds? I'll do it closer to the camera in a minute. That one sounds higher as a note, so that one's more highly fired than that dull one. So far they don't smell earthy sitting on my hands. which is actually a good sign because the fakes smell earthy, wet, or dry, but in most cases, not all cases of course, the real ones smell earthy only when dry. I mean wet, sorry. I have a headache today. Just set it right here. So, for the camera, this one, the slip has fallen off. It's very gritty. I'd say this one probably is from around Israel, just based on the clay itself, very orange. They have different names for these. Right now with my headache, I can't remember which is which, so I just call them the pinch spout lamps. But they kind of look like a seashell to me. So here we're gonna... It's better to hold the rim or something and do that so it doesn't... your hand doesn't impact the sound. So you heard that one, how dull it is. Now we're gonna listen to this one. And you hear that higher pitch ringing. And then back to dull. You can see there's a number on the bottom of this one. Could be from archaeologists, could be from a private collector, who knows. Now I don't like this. This doesn't look like normal incrustations of calcium salts. But everything about the lamp otherwise seems correct, so I'm just going to assume it's just a fluke. Now the gray here around the spout, that's from actual use. That's all the soot that's found its way into the fabric of the clay. There. Give you a good view. So really old, still probably old, but not as really old. I mean, this could be 1500 BCE, this could be 1000 CE, who knows?